Hey guys, it's Chris from eXp Educators. Thanks for checking out our channel. Click the link below for some more information. After you hear what we got to say today, you may just want to go ahead and click it now and get it over with, because it is exciting. Can't say enough good things here. We're going to talk today about the Q2 report, Q2 2021 report that was just, I mean, I don't know if you could write a better story, to be quite honest with you, but we'll just get into it. We talked earnings here a little bit ago. Now we're talking about agent count. And for eXp, year over year, 87% increase in agents. Again, 87% increase. And since that report, we just crested 60,000. For those of us that were here back in the 10,000 range, we thought it was really cool as we were adding, agents here and agents there. And now it's just every time we turn the corner, it's a bigger number and a bigger number. Just phenomenal. Again, 87% growth. And that's no small number considering that we're at, 60,000 agents or so. So, you can see where we were last year. You can see where we are this year. Again, past performance, no guarantee of future results. But boy, oh boy, if you would have said, hey, Chris, last year, you guys are going to be at 60,000 agents, I would have been like, I think we can. I'm like the little train. I think we can. I think we can. I think we can. But boy, oh boy, it is just getting crazy out there. Agents are coming here in droves. There was a call with Glenn Sanford, the CEO of our company, and why the company keeps attracting top agents and brokers all over the country and now all over the world, really by iterating and improving the overall value proposition for real estate professionals. And what does that mean? That sounds very interesting, but okay, so you're out selling houses. Every company that you work for, today, tomorrow, and until you get to eXp, we're all out selling houses. We're all out working with buyers. We're all out working with sellers. Maybe you're building a little team for yourself. You got a buyer's agent, listing agent, so on and so forth. All that is the same. Why is the value proposition different here? Maybe it's the technology. Quite honestly, I can speak with relative authority. The technology is fantastic. Gives you all kinds of leverage. What else in that value proposition do you want to talk about? Well, I'd probably talk about the stock, because you're allowed to participate in the stock, and that's what we're here to talk about today. And the just selling houses, and instead of paying where I paid money to Keller Williams, where I paid money to Remax, where I paid money to Century 21, you may pay money to your broker, this, that, and the other for the privilege of their quote-unquote sign or brand or whatever. Fantastic. Well, that money I now pay to our family, and that money has multiplied itself many, 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 many times since we started putting it in. It's kind of set it and forget it. And, we don't talk specifics on stock, but I can tell you it's been fantastic. It is just awesome in a way that I can't describe. It's a feeling that just to know that you're doing the same things you were doing before, doing them better, that I will say, having more free time to think about your business, but also that little just nice, it's growing and growing and growing. It's doing its thing. And you know what? All my job is keep selling houses and keep bringing folks to the company that are doing top performing numbers, and as Brent loves to say, a rising tide takes all boats up. And boy, the boats are, this tide is rising, to say the least. If you look at last year to this year, 87% growth in agents. Something must be going on for that many people to look over here and go, I want to get involved. And we're just getting going, guys. You sit there and say, okay, that's great. You're growing and growing and growing. But what does that really mean? Well, you know what? We did almost 116,000 deals in the second quarter. Again, just a shade under 116,000 deals in the second quarter. Man, that is 164% increase over last year. And we had phenomenal numbers last year. So again, it just went up and up and up. Again, number of deals, 164% up over last year. Agent count, 87% up over last year. And you sit there and say, well, you guys did some deals and blah, 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 blah. Well, here's what's really interesting is that we did $40 billion in volume year over year jump. And that's a jump of 210%. That is amazing. Our volume jumped 210%. So I'm just going to give you these three numbers. 87% in agent count. 164% increase in the number of deals Q2 to Q2. And then in volume, 210%. No wonder the street loves this thing. It's a runaway freight train, guys. It is fantastic. You know, I can't tell you, I know I say it enough. If you knew what eXp could do for you, you'd be here already. And man, when you see this and you see what's going on, you can't help but be excited. You can't help but go, wow, this is great. You know, the leadership of this company is cutting edge. They're on the front lines. They're talking to agents. They were agents. They know what it means to be an agent, and they just keep making it more agent-centric day by day, week by week. And each year we're here, it just keeps getting better and better. Man, guys, I'm just gonna, I gotta stop because I'm just gonna go off. I'm just gonna go on and on and on. But again, wanted to talk about some of those Q2 things. You know, again, 87% increase in agents. I'm going to guess we attracted more agents than probably our top three competitors combined. Pretty safe to say. You know, the revenue is off the chart. The volume is off the chart. Just fantastic. And again, caveat to say past performance, no guarantee of future results. But if we look at 2020 and say that's past performance, and we look at 2021 and say that's results, wow, exciting to be here. Hey, gonna let it go today. If you'd like to get some more information, click the link below. As we love to say, if you knew what eXp Realty could do for you, you'd already be here. Go make it a great day. Thanks for tuning into the channel. We look forward to seeing you soon.